2010 Tiguan with a lean code at idle. Runs fairly smooth right now. This is 62 degrees. I just started it after the scan. I'll post the codes in the video. But anyways, usual check is to see if you can remove the gas cap, which I can. Obviously it affects running once the gas cap comes off. But another common place to check is this PCB assembly right here. There's a little breather tube. All it is an atmospheric vent. There's a rubber diaphragm in here that goes up and down, which controls PCB fume circulation into the intake manifold. It's spring loaded and it's a big diaphragm, and because it goes up and down constantly at various speeds, over time that rubber diaphragm breaks, and this vent here, which basically just allows atmospheric air to push onto the diaphragm. If you feel any type of suction here, that means that vent is no good. So this one here is getting a vent. You can buy just this here from Dorman, or you can get the whole thing. Replacing this whole assembly here would be the best way to go. But you know, sometimes our customers don't want to go the more expensive route. I don't know if you can hear that. It's whistling a little bit. Okay, you carefully pry up on the cover. Doesn't matter if the tabs break, you're replacing it. Just work it from all sides as best you can. Sometimes it is easier and quicker just to replace the whole assembly, but obviously more expensive. Okay, so here's the diaphragm, and it's spring loaded, so all this thing does is go up and down, up and down. And look at that, there's the hole right here. Here's a new one, and it's still attached, no hole. And it just pops into place. You just position the spring and you just lower it into place. Just make sure it clicks into place, and that's it. All done.